We need 3 more pallets for the morning shipment.
Copy that. Moving them now.
This is one of the most controlled meat processing operations in the world. Trained professionals handle every step inside this facility.
Raw material inspection is the first critical stage.
Every batch is tracked from start to finish. Temperature control preserves safety and freshness.
Now, the real processing begins.
Sanitization begins before any processing starts.
Surface contaminants are removed immediately.
Human inspection supports automated cleaning.
Rotary washing ensures uniform cleaning. Waste is separated to maintain hygiene standards. Food-safe solutions reduce microbial risk.
Temperature is stabilized before the cutting.
Moisture control improves processing accuracy.
Only approved material moves forward.
The material is now ready for precision cutting. Precision cutting defines consistency and yield.
Machines are calibrated for exact dimensions.
Primary cuts separate usable sections efficiently.
Skilled hands refine machine cuts.
Uniform thickness ensures even processing later.
Secondary cuts standardize portion sizes. Residual material is carefully removed.
A brief rinse maintains cleanliness after cutting.
Sorting organizes the flow for next processing. Cutting is complete, and the process moves forward. Deboning requires precision and strict control. Sensors identify remaining bone fragments instantly. Skilled hands complete the separation.
Byproducts are removed immediately.
Only intact muscle tissue proceeds.
Final trimming improves product consistency. A controlled rinse maintains hygiene.
Weight consistency is carefully managed.
Batches are organized for thermal processing.
Deboning is complete, and temperature control begins.
Temperature control begins immediately.
Cold washing stabilizes the meat structure.
Every batch is temperature verified.
Rapid cooling locks in freshness. Moisture is carefully reduced. Cooling continues at a controlled pace.
Human checks confirm machine data.
Only approved batches move on. Temperature stabilized and ready for processing.
The meat is now fully conditioned.
Precision cutting begins here. Speed and accuracy work together.
Uniformity is essential.
Human control refines machine output. Every portion meets exact standards. Nothing is left to chance.
Surface quality is perfected.
Each batch is now identical.
Visual inspection confirms consistency. The portions are ready for treatment. Flavor infusion begins under strict control. Consistency is engineered, not guessed. Time and motion complete the absorption. Treatment complete. Heat transforms structure and safety.
Temperature is constantly verified.
Uniform cooking is achieved.
Thermal processing is complete.
Safety and quality confirmed.
Now, cooling must happen fast.
Rapid cooling locks in quality and safety.
Each batch is carefully carried through the cooling zone.
Continuous monitoring ensures consistency.
Excess moisture is eliminated before storage.
Trays are organized for efficient storage. Inspection ensures only quality batches continue. Holding rooms maintain product integrity. Automation ensures precision and speed. The factory maintains order at every stage. Now, the product moves into final packaging. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control.
Appearance is the first check.
Weight and size are carefully verified.
Microbial safety is non-negotiable.
Chemical consistency is constantly monitored.
Machines support human inspection for accuracy.
Approved batches proceed for final packaging.
Failed batches are immediately isolated.
Every aspect of quality is monitored closely.
With quality confirmed, the product moves to its final stage. Packaging begins with precision and care.
Each package is tracked and sealed.
Quality control continues even after packaging. Automation ensures speed and consistency. Careful handling preserves product integrity.
Organized storage keeps the product safe.
Ready for shipment to customers worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce snake meat from start to finish.
Every step is carefully controlled and monitored.